these are some questions under differentiation, and follow me. Let's just solve this quickly and let's navigate through. We are going to see that it's a very simple question that you can solve in 10 seconds. You are through with this. So let's go. The first one, solution. So the first one, we have y equals to what? S squared plus 3x plus 6. So like I said, your dy ds is going to be equals to what? Whatever you have here, multiply it with what you have here. That is what? 2. Subtract 1 from the power here. That is, write this x. Subtract from the power 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 2 is power, x is power 1 is still what? X. So just write this plus 3. S is power, this is power 1 here. 1 minus 1, that is what? Power 0. S is power 0 is what? Is 1. So this is what your answer is going to be. And then the differential of the constant is what? Is equals to 0. So this is what your answer is going to be. Then B, you have what? Y equals to 1 over s squared. So I will implore you that when you have something like this, convert it to like a question in, let me see, in indices. So you recall that in indices you have, when you have 1 over something, it's still the same thing as that thing goes to the power of minus 1. So just write it to be what? Make this implies that y should be equal to s is power minus 2. Now, what is serving as minus? It is this 1 over this inverse. That's what is serving as minus. So we'll call it inverse. Or, so me, I'm calling it to either like for a beginner or somebody that doesn't have an experience in differentiation is this 1 over, that's what's changed to minus. So we call it inverse. That is what's changed to 1 over. So the dy ds will be equals to what? So this minus 2 here times what we have here. We have 1 there, invisible 1. Then your minus 2 times minus 1 is going to give you what? Minus 2. You have x. This is going to be what? Minus 2 and minus 1 according to the law of differentiation. Minus 2 minus 1, that is going to give you what? Minus 3. Minus 3. So this is what your answer is going to be. Minus 2s is per minus 3. Or you can say it's still the same thing as writing minus 2 divided by s is power 3. This is your answer. And then for the last one, C, v equals to y equals to 3 over s is power 4, is still like that. Just follow this same method. You're going to get your answer. This still implies what? Y equals to 3 s is power what? Minus 4, right? Then your dy ds is going to what? Your dy ds is going to be equals to what? Minus 4 times 3, it will give you what? Minus 12. S is power what? Minus 4 minus 1, that is what it's going to give you what? Minus 5. So be careful when you're adding and you're subtracting those. So it's going to give you minus 4 minus 1. That's going to give you minus 5. Minus 5. So therefore, your dy ds is going to be equal to minus 12 over s is power 5. So this is how to solve your question. You can see it's very, very simple. You can solve these 3 questions in 20 seconds or at most 30 seconds, and then you're good to go. So just meet this type of question in down. Oh, how lovely it's gonna be. So join me for my next example as I'll be giving my example on this particular differentiation. See you in the next video.